Good morning, students. Today, which I am going to discuss with you, this is from chapter number 6, Understanding Our Criminal Justice System from Civics. And this is the last topic of chapter number 6, What is a Fair Trial? So, students, for understanding this topic, let us now we have to return to Shanti's case as described in the storyboard and identify the essential elements of a fair trial. So students, you know very well that we know that Shanti was tried by a lawyer in the court. So, for the defense, firstly, Shanti was given a copy of the charge sheet and all other evidence that the prosecution presented against her. And Shanti was charged with the offense of theft that was defined as a crime in the law. And the trial was held in an open court in public view. And Shanti and her brother Sushil could attend the court hearings. Alright? So students, the trial was held in the presence of the accused and Shanti was defended by a lawyer. Okay? And Shanti's lawyer, Advocate Roy, was given an opportunity to cross-examine all the prosecution witnesses. Alright? And Advocate Roy was given an opportunity to present witness in Shanti's defense. As well as we know that the police filed a case of theft against Shanti and the judge assumed her to be innocent. And it was the responsibility of the prosecution to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Shanti was guilty. And in this case, the prosecution failed to do so. Alright. So students, according to the Article 21 of the Constitution of India, that guarantees the right to life, which states that a person's life or liberty can be taken away only by following a reasonable and just legal procedure. Okay? For example, student, which we have seen in the case of Shanti. And a fair trial ensures that Article 21 of the Constitution is upheld. And every citizen, irrespective of his class, caste, gender, religious and ideological backgrounds, should get a fair trial when accused. Okay? It means a judge cannot jump to the conclusion. Instead, he have to remain impartial and then decide on the basis of evidences. And the rule of law says that everyone is equal before the law would not make much sense if every citizens were not guaranteed a fair trial by the constitution. All right, it means simply we can say our constitution has given us a right to file a case in a court if any reason anyone is not guilty. So anyone can file a case for defense. All right. So students, on the basis of Shanti's case, we can clearly understand that what types of procedures followed by our courts, judge and lawyer to solve out the problem. And by following a reasonable and just legal procedure, we can get a fair trial by a court. So students, now here your chapter number 6 is completed, and tomorrow I will send you question and answer related to this topic. So students, please read this chapter again from the starting, which is given as storyboard in your book, and try to understand all the topic. And if anywhere you have any confusion or doubt, then consult to me. All right. Thank you and have a nice day.